midnight sunrise. Sun dark mid. So far we are midway. But on midstream by far. It's basic, like, just basic, stuff. Basic storms. But they do give good stuff. They do give good stuff. Good stuff. Mid-storms, mid-alley, mid-runway. But without the storm, there would be literally nothing left to prevent it. Anyhow. I probably guarantee that would get really annoying for most of the viewers. I guarantee that would probably get too much to just listen to all of that. The more question is, why would it be storming right then and now? But so far, so good. Might be a little bit darker, but it is what it is. But on the plus everything of what could be preceded or preside. All depends for Midway House of the direction we are doing soon.